What's up everybody, Investing Club here, back with another video. I just want to do a quick update on where the stock market is currently at the end of this week, since I haven't given an update in a couple weeks. So this past Friday, we had a pretty big drop, and a lot of people are getting scared of another wave down coming. And a lot of people wanted to know my thoughts on this. So if you've watched my previous videos on analyzing the stock market, I said I watched the 20-day moving average, which is the green line on this chart, and I sort of use it as a signal to determine where stock prices are going. In the last stock market analysis I made, stock prices broke above the 20-day moving average, and I said from that point I expected stock prices to go up, which they have. The important thing to note is even though we had a big drop on this Friday, we're still above the 20-day moving average. So to me, this looks like we are still in at least a short-term uptrend. I'm still expecting stocks to go up until the charts show me otherwise. You can see last week we had a big drop like this too, and we recovered off of that no problem. We just went straight back up. So this could be the start of another drop, or it might not. We could just keep going up. But again, the thing I'm watching is the green line, the 20-day moving average. And if we see prices start to go below that line, then I will be expecting a further drop in stock prices. We had one big down day, but until I see some other sign that momentum has shifted and stocks will start going down, I'm still assuming we are in an uptrend. And honestly, I think a lot of people obsess too much over this. A lot of people are obsessed about where the stock market's going to go in the next week or the next month. I make these videos for people that want to know, to try to help explain it to them, but to be honest, I really don't care where the stock market's going this month, next month, even 6 months from now. It doesn't really matter to me. If we do see stock prices drop below the 20-day moving average, it's not like I'm going to sell all my stocks. I'll be expecting a move down, but not really anything I think I'll act on. Same with when the prices broke above the 20-day moving average. I expected stock prices to go up, but I didn't start buying like crazy. I'm just using these signals as a sort of way to determine the direction of the market. And I think that instead of obsessing over where the stock market's going in the next few days, you should really focus on developing a plan to help you invest through this market crash, global shutdown and stock market crash. Whether for you that's dollar cost averaging and buying into the market every week, or whether that's only focusing on buying high quality companies when they're trading at a discount, which is what I do and what I teach on this channel, then you really have nothing to worry about as long as you follow the right steps. The last video I made was talking about the plan that I'm using to invest during this period. I will put a card up to it right now, and we will see what next week brings us. And I will bring an update if anything significant happens. All right, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.